Hey everybody. Why did I wave with both hands? Anyway, forgive me for looking a little rough because of this lockdown, I can't really get to the barber and I always look rough. Well, that's rude. Anyway, today I'm making something that I've been wanting to make for a long time, but for whatever reason never got around to it, and that is chicken noodle soup. Now, this video is going to be a little poignant, look it up. Anyway, it's gonna be a little poignant because, well, my father passed away a few days ago, and he loved eating my food. He would give me critiques, and actually, he really was too nice to tell me if he didn't like something that much, but I could tell by the expression in his face. But I'm pretty sure that he would enjoy this. Come on. Okay, you're already familiar with how I season chicken breasts. So what I'm gonna do next is throw them right into the what? Where's the slow cooker? Yeah, for chicken noodle soup, I think it's better if the chicken is chopped rather than shredded. I mean, you can pan fry it too, but if you do that, you're gonna want to butterfly the breast first. And if you decide to do that, you're gonna want to look at my instructions in the cashew chicken video. Anyway, gonna throw these right into the what? I've never baked two chicken breasts before. Yeah, you're right. Well, if you'll let me finish, we're going to throw this into the 350-degree oven right here for 35 minutes. Now, I like to use egg noodles for my soup, and since you already know how to do that, we're gonna from the stroganoff recipe. The chicken stroganoff one and the beef. I have shot a video for that. Hold on a second. Okay, see. Here is the video. Let's see. Peanut butter chocolate cheesecake. It's not in the recent ones, but hold on. The vegan bacon cheeseburger calzone. Okay, you're right. I didn't actually shoot a video for that one yet. We'll do that in the future. Anyway, you basically prepare the egg noodles the same way you would prepare rotini. You would cook them in a medium saucepan here for, I would say, 8 minutes 30 seconds. Medium high heat, of course. Okay, I've had this pot of water boiling right here for the soup. I only put a little bit of salt in it this time because, well, the chicken was baked, so that means most of the seasoning is still on it, so we don't want to over season our broth now. Actually, it isn't broth yet, but anyway, what I'm going to put in here first is not the chicken, not the noodles, but carrots. And we're going to let that go for about 3 minutes because, well, gotta take some time to make them softer. I mean, you don't want to eat hard carrots. I mean, who do you think I am, Bugs Bunny? Okay, the carrots are all done now. Now we're going to... What? Yeah, the carrots do look a little different now. I chopped them up a little bit more. I figured they look better that way in soup, don't you? Anyway, now we're gonna decrease the heat. I said decrease the heat! Oh, it's just letting some of the steam out. Anyway, we decreased the heat, and now we're going to add in celery, noodles, and of course chicken. Now that looks a little dry, doesn't it? Well, let's add a little more water and a little more salt. Excuse me a second. That's more like it. And as you can see, it's also brought up to a boil. But we're going to decrease the heat again and then let it simmer for 2 minutes. Why? I just think the flavor comes out better that way. Now, doesn't this look like a nice hearty bowl of chicken noodle soup? Now then. A little too hot, hold on. Finally did it. Finally made some soup. And there's a little bit of tanginess in there, isn't it? What is that? It's the cinnamon. Ah, didn't expect that, did you? What? How are you supposed to know what the tanginess is if you're not actually tasting it? Don't mess up the setup. And that is going to do it. And you know by now where to find the recipe for this. Thanks for being with me. Excuse me. Thanks for being with me. I'll see you again soon. Dad, that's for you.